Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's my question. Being one of the members of the LGBTQIA community who possess a strong personality and creativity, if you will be given a chance to be a woman, would you wish to be one and why? Again, being one of the members of the LGBTQIA community who possesses a strong personality and creativity, if you'll be given a chance to be a woman, would you wish to be one? Why?
Good evening to the board, to the panel of judges. Good evening, Barangay Elito. Without condemning your beliefs and opinion, I stand firm with the beliefs that woman is woman and trans women are also women. If I were to give it a chance to be a woman, I respect the boundaries of women who are born biologically women. I am a transgender by nature because I have grown in an environment where tolerance and acceptance is highly accepted, and I believe it should go that way. I respect the boundary that these women are biologically born, and I am someone who grown up in a community where I am accepted. Yes, we maybe have different identities, but it does not take away the right that each individual has stated us in our constitution, in our nature as a human being. Even you are a woman or a trans woman, you are still a woman. Even because it is not on your physical appearance, it is in your soul and spirit that you are recognized as a woman. If you show yourself as someone identifying yourself as a woman, then people will perceive you are a woman. But if you recognize yourself as different from women, then therefore they will follow the same act. And therefore, I believe it is in us how we recognize ourselves, because how we recognize ourselves is not the way that others will recognize us back. Because how we present ourselves, it is how the people will perceive who we are. And remember, everyone, that being a woman is not having all the physical attributes, having that long hair, having that body shape of a shaped body, or any perfect resemblance of being a woman. It is being able to raise awareness that being a woman is being a sister, being a mother, being a mentor, being a friend. And that alone proves that you are a woman.